Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to assemble your foldable Honda Pilot papercraft. Once you have printed your Honda Pilot papercraft, you can then use scissors or an X-Acto knife to cut along the edge of your Pilot. The instructions on your kit will show you areas that require a special fold and also areas where you will add whatever adhesive you're comfortable using. In the details of this video, I'll throw a link to where you can get many more different scenes, and a way you can request some custom or a completely personalized Pilot. In this example, I happen to be using one that my daughter personalized herself, since she wanted a Barbie Pink and black Pilot. A glue stick will come in handy for this, but it is not required to assemble. Tape, hot glue, or even crazy glue will work. As the front had a lot of intricate details, I designed it in a way in which it would continue to keep those details even as a papercraft. But the rear, I made it so that it would be very easy to fold and assemble. So as long as you adhere the tailgate to the side of the vehicle, you should be good to go. I hope you enjoyed making this as much as I enjoyed designing it, and that your little ones can enjoy pretend play with many of the different themes available. If you found some type of benefit in this video, please consider liking, sharing, and leaving some feedback in the comments. Thank you guys for watching.